In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make pop music in Suno AI. We'll go from a blank page to a polished pop track using a simple workflow. Craft a strong style prompt with ChatGPT, then generate lyrics, and finally produce the song in Suno. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. We're using it to quickly get to ChatGPT, which will help us write an effective style prompt for Suno. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and open the official website. Once you're in the chat, ask it to create a Suno AI style prompt for pop music. Be specific. Tell it to include the musical mode, the BPM, the instruments, the overall vibe, and the vocal style. A clear request could be something like, create a Suno AI style prompt for pop music. Include mode, BPM, instruments, vibe, and vocal style. Then submit your prompt. When ChatGPT responds, review the result for clarity and tone. Pop usually sits around 100 to 120 BPM, uses bright synths, tight drums, and catchy hooks, with vocals that are confident and expressive. If it looks good, highlight the full style prompt and copy it. Now head to Suno at suno.com and go to Create. In the Styles field, paste the prompt you just copied. If needed, tweak a few words to match your taste. Maybe lean more dance pop, add a modern synth bass, or request layered harmonies. Small adjustments here can shape the final sound. Next, we'll generate lyrics. Return to your ChatGPT tab and type a new request asking for original pop lyrics. For example, write original lyrics for a pop song about first love and match the genre. Submit and give it a moment to write. Feel free to adjust the subject to anything you prefer: confidence, summer nights, moving on, as long as it fits the pop vibe. When you're happy with the result, highlight all the lyrics and copy them. Go back to Suno. Locate the lyrics box and paste your lyrics inside. Make sure the lines are spaced cleanly so the phrasing is easy for the model to interpret. If your chorus needs to hit harder, repeat the hook lines or add a short pre-chorus. Simple edits can make a big difference. When everything is in place, click Create. Suno will take a moment to generate your music. Once it's ready, press play and listen through. If you want a different feel, iterate by refining the style prompt or adjusting the lyrics, then create again. With a few passes, you'll land on a pop track that feels cohesive, catchy, and uniquely yours.